One of the most important parts of crafting the perfect listing is choosing the right tags and keywords. Listedom gives you many ways to do this. First, in the Keyword Explorer tab, you can research any keyword and see historical data for demand over time, competition over time, the average price that these listings using that keywords are usually selling for. But you can also see the market saturation with demand and competition. Every keyword is color coded. Green means high demand, low competition. This is usually a niche opportunity. Yellow means high demand but also high competition. Not a niche anymore. There is a lot of competition, but at least the demand is validated. Orange usually means low demand and low competition. This doesn't mean that your product is not going to sell if its primary keyword is orange, but it's not likely that you are going to make many sales. And finally, red means low demand and high competition. Usually you don't want to compete on this if your primary keyword falls in the red zone. Ideally, your primary keyword should be green or yellow, high demand. But here is a key tip. Don't only chase one type of keywords. A healthy mix of green, yellow, and orange, and even sometimes red, is totally alright. You want to have a very diversified, a lot of variety in your words and search terms to reach more potential buyers in search. Second, the Keyword Explorer is baked in directly the listing editor. So you don't have to leave when you are updating your listings. You can access it here and make your own search or click on any of your keywords to see more information about that keywords. You can check the keyword start, related suggestion, and even see how your listings is performing against other listings using these same keywords in terms of views and favorites. You will also find sections for similar and related keywords, making it easy to spot better options you might not have thought of. And to keep things organized, you can save your favorite tags by adding them to a keyword list and quickly reuse them for multiple listings. With these tools, you always know which keywords are worth keeping, which to replace, and how to build a keyword strategy that gets found.